Nutmeg or moneyfarm, which is right for you? Hook, you've got some extra cash. You're thinking about investing. Two big names pop up, Nutmeg and moneyfarm. Both promise growth, both look shiny. But which one is the real deal for you? Let's dive in. Introduction to investing. Before we pit these platforms against each other, let's quickly chat about investing. It's basically putting your money to work. Instead of it sitting idle in your bank account earning peanuts, you invest it in assets like stocks, bonds, or property, hoping for a return. Now, why would you choose an investment platform like Nutmeg or moneyfarm over doing it yourself? Well, these platforms offer diversification, which means spreading your money across different assets to reduce risk. They also handle the nitty-gritty of investing, like rebalancing your portfolio. Nutmeg, a quick overview. Nutmeg, often described as the Rolls-Royce of investment platforms, positions itself as a high-end service. They offer a range of investment options, from ISAs to pensions. The platform is known for its user-friendly interface and sophisticated algorithm that builds a personalized portfolio based on your risk tolerance. It's like having a personal financial advisor, but without the hefty fee. Moneyfarm, a contender. Moneyfarm, on the other hand, is more of the everyday car of investment platforms. It's accessible, with a lower minimum investment compared to Nutmeg. They also offer a good range of investment options, including ethical investing. While not as flashy as Nutmeg, moneyfarm focuses on simplicity and cost-effectiveness. Comparing the two, fees. Let's talk money. Fees can make or break your investment returns. Nutmeg generally has higher fees compared to moneyfarm. However, you might argue that you're paying for a more personalized service. Moneyfarm, on the other hand, keeps costs low, making it an attractive option for those starting with smaller investments. Comparing the two, investment options. Both platforms offer a variety of investment options, but there are some nuances. Nutmeg has a broader range of specialized portfolios, such as their ethical and socially responsible investing options. Moneyfarm, while offering a good selection, might not have the same depth. Comparing the two, customer service. Investment platforms are great, but when things go wrong, you need good customer service. Both Nutmeg and moneyfarm generally have positive reviews in this area, but personal experiences can vary. It's worth checking out online reviews and considering the platform's contact options. Which one is right for you? So, Nutmeg or moneyfarm? The answer depends on you. If you're looking for a hands-off approach, with a platform that does the heavy lifting and you're willing to pay a premium for a personalized service, Nutmeg might be your cup of tea. But if you prioritize low costs, simplicity, and a good range of options, moneyfarm could be a better fit. Additional considerations. Remember, this is just a snapshot. It's crucial to do your own research. Consider factors like your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. You might even want to start with a smaller investment on one platform and then gradually increase your exposure or diversify across both. The world of investing can be overwhelming. But with platforms like Nutmeg and moneyfarm, it's becoming more accessible. The key is to understand your needs and choose the platform that aligns with your financial journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.